Strategically located in Brownsville, Texas to maximize international trade and cross-border business opportunities with Mexico, GEOTRAC Industrial Hub is a large master-planned industrial real estate development that connects the world through a robust transportation network.
We're very excited to be in Brownsville. We're off to a great start. The railroad operating metrics are outstanding so far, and the development plan that we put together for GEOTRAC, very excited about the opportunity.
Our project here is really known as a public-private partnership. Private company, OmniTRAX and the Borough Group working with the Port of Brownsville. And what's key to that is teamwork, and together we can achieve great things.
Behind GEOTRAC are some of the most respected names in real estate and transportation: the Borough Group, OmniTRAX, and the Port of Brownsville.
Every time I go down there, I'm always impressed by the community and the people at the railroad.
In addition to direct rail access, GEOTRAC offers heavy industrial zoning, shovel-ready sites, built-to-suit options, overweight truck access, and a unique incubator area with amenities and services for emerging companies.
At GEOTRAC North, we have medium and large lots that are dedicated to manufacturing and heavy industry. We also have a cluster area that's focused on the steel industry. We have large lots along the water at GEOTRAC South. These lots are well suited for terminals, liquid storage, and handling of bulk materials.
With flexible lease terms, the incubator area provides one-stop leasing, logistics, and transportation services. With the addition of our new rail infrastructure and utility access, lots are now available to be leased.
OmniTRAX Logistics Services has partnered with GEOTRAC to invest in a rail-served transload facility next to all of the acreage that's available for development here. At this facility, we provide a wide variety of services to our customers. We'll receive their product by rail, store their product here at our site, and arrange for local delivery to their end users.
As a national and international transportation hub, GEOTRAC features rail service from the Brownsville and Rio Grande International Railway. With direct U.S. connections to Union Pacific, Burlington Northern Santa Fe, and direct Mexico connections to Kansas City Southern de Mexico. As an international railway, the BRG Railway crosses into Mexico via the West Rail Bridge, the first new U.S.-Mexican rail bridge in 100 years. An OmniTRAX affiliate, the Brownsville and Rio Grande International Railway is a short-line railroad that operates over 50 miles of track and services the international bridge crossing with Mexico. Safety is our highest priority. OmniTRAX affiliated railroads have received numerous safety awards from the U.S. American Short Line Association and regional railroad associations. The BRG offers Rail Made Easy service 24 hours a day, 5 days per week, with weekend services upon request and customized solutions to accommodate every customer need.
The family environment there is outstanding. It's one of the things when we originally went to Brownsville that we noticed. One of the values that we have in OmniTRAX is respect for our people. And that came forward right from the beginning when we met with the folks there. Just an outstanding organization, and they have fit very well into the OmniTRAX family.
In January 1st of 1990, I became a BRG employee and have worked with them ever since. It'll be 26 years this coming January. We want our employees to go home the way they came to work.
Highways connect GEOTRAC to North America via major U.S. north-south and east-west interstate highway routes.
The Port of Brownsville is the only deepwater seaport located directly on the U.S.-Mexico border. We have a draft of 42 feet and a turning basin of 1,200 feet. The Port of Brownsville is also the largest landowning public port authority in the country, available for development for both industrial, manufacturing, and of course supporting the growth of the maritime industry. The relationship with OmniTRAX is really a partnership. We can combine our resources not only to attract industrial and manufacturing development to the Port of Brownsville, but also to be able to grow our intermodal business, primarily focusing on the growth of rail, the maritime commerce, and supporting the development of the increased transportation infrastructure that is happening in and around the Port of Brownsville.
The Port of Brownsville is a top 3 U.S. foreign trade zone for exports, with a #1 ranking in 2012 and 2013. Barge service is available using the U.S. Intercoastal Waterway and Inland Waterway system, connecting GEOTRAC to the Mississippi River and the eastern seaboard of the U.S. OmniTRAX works closely with the stevedores at the Port of Brownsville. Stevedores traditionally handle the movement of various commodities at ports.
I've been in the stevedore business here in Brownsville all my adult life. Every day is a new day. We enjoy that.
It is truly an industry that is a worldwide connection because we're dealing with people from Japan, from Russia, from South Korea, all over the world.
Less than a day's truck trip from major oil fields, GEOTRAC is positioned to serve the Eagle Ford, Permian Basin, and Mexico's offshore and onshore energy regions. Transmontane, a BRG railway user, is actively involved in storing and transporting a wide variety of energy product.
We have a variety of products that we store, fully refined, semi-refined, and unrefined products. We ship and receive a number of different ways. Our ability to do that is a direct result of the services that the BRG provides to us.
Business is complemented by many cultural and recreational activities in this area. South Padre Island is a short 20-minute drive from the Port of Brownsville. Fishing, snorkeling, and biking are some of the popular recreational activities available at this tropical island paradise. Located at the southernmost tip of Texas, this community has a high quality of life, and it exemplifies the perfect combination of southwestern charm and cultural diversity. The Rio Grande Valley is a great place to live and work. It's emerging as one of the more powerful business regions in the U.S., with highly regarded educational institutions, close proximity to Mexico, and a growing diverse pool of workers.
We like when companies come in and show that they too will take a vested interest in our people. Education is very important because it is the foundation of the future. It is the beginning of the training for the future workforce. The partnership between the Port of Brownsville and the GEOTRAC is a perfect example of successful public-private partnership. Brownsville and the Rio Grande Valley is one of the fastest growing business communities. So that, in partnership with our local community and education and the emerging workforce, it really boasts about Brownsville, where we're headed, and how soon we're going to get there.
Tap into dynamic growth through global connections at GEOTRAC Industrial Hub.